This is the Ajmera family from Mumbai. We took this plot over here in Venkatesh Nagar at Igatpuri in 2015, if I'm not wrong. हमें 9 महीने लगे उसके बाद इस बंगले को बिल्ड करने में, and we built a small cozy house wherein we are 3 families who keep coming here to Igatpuri, enjoy ourselves with our children, with our parents. Our parents enjoy this weather, this place, the people with their grandchildren. यहाँ पे मौसम एक अलग ही अंदाज का है. It is, हम इगतपुरी आते रहते हैं every second weekend. We are here. One of us comes here with the family, with friends. The air is absolutely clean. और यहाँ के मौसम से हम जब वापस जाते हैं we feel absolutely refreshed. हम इगतपुरी हमारे ये वेंकटेश नगर में every week या second week आते रहते हैं. बच्चे खूब enjoy करते हैं. वेदर यहाँ का बहुत अच्छा है. We enjoy the weather. The air is very clean. ये करीबन 50-100 एकड़ में हमको जो घूमने का आनंद आता है, कोई साइकिलिंग कर रहा है, कोई बैडमिंटन खेल रहा है, कोई फुटबॉल खेल रहा है. There are a lot of in-house activities which keep all of us very busy and occupied. We love coming here over the weekends, spend 2 days and get back to Bombay. It is very well connected from Bombay. It takes not more than 2.5 hours from Goregaon to reach Venkatesh Nagar, and I think that's the most comfortable place that one can visit. Let's hear बाकी क्या बोलना चाहते हैं.
इगतपुरी वेंकटेश्वर नगर, ये हम सबका, हमारी फैमिली का एक ड्रीम जगह हो गई है. हम लोग सब यहाँ आके बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं. मैंने यहाँ पे स्कूल भी अडॉप्ट किया है भगतवाड़ी का. वहाँ पे हम लोग अपना काम करते हैं, बच्चों की सेवा करते हैं और हर 15 दिन में आके यहाँ एंजॉय करते हैं. और ये वेंकटेश्वर के कारण हम लोग को इतना फैसिलिटी जो मिली है, यहाँ के स्टाफ, यहाँ का जो एटमॉस्फेयर है, उन सबको हम बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं और बार बार आने का मन होता है. और बच्चों के साथ, हम फैमिली के साथ आना चाहते हैं.
वेंकटेश नगर बहुत, it's a very safe place, very secured place. We feel very safe here. Our kids can roam around freely. The staff is very, very helpful and very hospitable. So we completely enjoy our stay here. If we need anything, we just have to ask the people in the office and they're always helping out. So we really appreciate all this, and the kind of security that is here is amazing. So there are all facilities here which are well equipped, hygiene, very well kept, very hygienic, and every time our stay here is wonderful.
वेंकटेश नगर हम जब भी आते हैं, really enjoy in our house. It is one place which has almost all activities which our kids love, from basketball to football, TT, swimming. They have a beautiful lake where we can do boating. We really enjoy. It has some places here has beautiful sunrise spots, beautiful sunset spots. We really look forward to come here from Mumbai, and whenever we come, we have a beautiful time.
Venkatesh Nagar is an amazing place to come. It's just magical. Children, adults, they're everything. There's so many facilities. People can go trekking, they can walk. I really look forward to come to Venkatesh Nagar in my vacations. This is the best place.
Venkatesh Nagar is a real getaway from real life, as in when you come here, it's like time slows down, and then you can just enjoy the mountains, the view, the scenery. It's just amazing. I have never imagined a better place to go to. The stress and all the tensions from our real life are forgotten when we come to this magical place.
Venkatesh Nagar is an amazing place. On all sides there are mountains. There are amazing walking paths. All sides you can see greenery, and the staff is very hospitable, and from children to adults, everybody is very, very warm and everything, and everybody has a lot of fun here.
It was very important for us to know the owner of this place before we took this property, and to tell you, Mr. Avinash Gothi and his son Amol Gothi, the owners of Venkatesh Nagar, they are extremely family to us now. They are extremely helpful for anything that we would require. It is just a call away and things are managed. Let me share an instance with you which happened just about 10 days back, where we experienced power failure at 11 o'clock in the night. By the time we could understand that this power actually is only for our bungalow and around 2 bungalows and not the rest, when we called up the reception staff, within 15 minutes we had an electrician who at 12 midnight managed to get our electricity, get us the power and make us comfortable. I can go on and on giving you several examples of how the help has come to our aid to get the things resolved during the problems. I definitely would thank from the bottom of our heart each and every staff member who has been working here since years that we have been here and helping and supporting everybody who is here as a owner of the bungalows. Thank you very much.
We love Venkatesh Nagar.